दोस्तों, अफगानिस्तान की एक बड़ी खबर सामने आ गई। अफगानिस्तान की आइंदा की हिकमत
In
अमली।
future, this is not up to now discussed how it would be. Maybe we have a council, the head of the council, as you call the president, we would call that Rais al-Wazara, or the head of the council, and we will have ministers. All the ministers would be appointed by this council and by the head of the council. The system of the government is clear. That is an Islamic government. Sharia law would be, of course, there would be no democratic system at all, because it doesn't have any base in our country. That is we are working on. In Afghanistan, our leadership in Qatar, they all are working on it. About previous army and military, that is collapsed, finished. So now if we want to hire them and bring them back to this rank, of course we will we understand that where he is living right now, so we will contact him. If we liked him to bring him to the military, to the army, so definitely we will call them. And we need them because they have high training. Most of them got training in Turkey and Germany and England. So we need them, and we will call them to get back to their positions in order to, of course, we will have some changes. We will have some reforms in the army, but still we need them, and we will call them to get to join us.